Yeah, welcome back to our CRM class. Today we will try to understand what are the basic CRM software packages are there in the market and who are the major service providers. Right. Usually, that means we will discuss about CRM software packages. So, if you observe today, there are many service providers of these CRM solutions, and every business, whether it is small or large, are opting for these CRM software packages because they help the organizations in many ways, in many aspects, like customer encounters, marketing and advertising, sales, customer service, after sales service, and to maintain or manage various loyal customers. So the CRMs are helping the organizations in all these ways. Implementing the CRM systems has brought several benefits to the company, like enhanced customer satisfaction, minimized operating costs, improved customer retention, and it provides the ability to fulfill the demands of customers, which is very important for the organization. So it does many functions in the organization. It does sales functions, marketing functions, and even service functions. So there are many CRM service providers in the market. There are many CRM software packages are available in the market, which are suitable for small, medium, and large enterprises. So we'll try to understand what are the different companies that are providing these CRM applications. So we'll start it with the NetSuite CRM. So these are the CRM solutions providers. They provide the CRM solutions to the organizations. Usually it based on Oracle. So this NetSuite CRM has excellent built-in e-commerce applications, which are best to suit for the small and even large businesses also. But it is expensive than other CRM packages because it involves some additional charges for any different add-ons are required by the organization. So finally, that means it makes the CRM package expensive. But this is providing a complete, scalable, and cloud-based enterprise resource planning system to the organizations. It helps the digital transformation of front end and even front end and back end processes like marketing, sales, order management, and service management, billing, revenue, financial management, fixed assets management, inventory management, etc. Oracle NetSuite ERP provides the entire organization, is providing the entire organization from the top management to the clerical staff even. So it is providing to all of these a customized view of key performance indicators and reports for their role. For each role, the top management role to the key clerical staff role, it is providing all these customized view of key performance indicators. So this is the NetSuite CRM ERP features. These are the features provided by this NetSuite CRM ERP. If you buy this ERP system from this NetSuite providers, you can you in the sense the organization can have these features, right? So the delivery methods, manufacturing, integration, finance and accounting, sales management, inventory management, supply chain management, mobile functionality, HR management, interoperability, all these things can be benefited to the organization. And Microsoft Dynamics is another CRM provider. It's the most popular software package, and this Microsoft Dynamics offers features like integration to the mapping data with an easily rechargeable map to the contact's office, or obtaining instant customer specification information from the internet and feeding it up in the customer summary. It delivers value at every touch point and personalize every interaction. Better it better anticipates the customer needs by using what they are using Dynamics 365 customer insights. So that with this Dynamics 365 customer insights, it is possible to look at the 360-degree view of each customer's journey, which is, see, we are trying to look at each and every view of the every customer. So this Microsoft Dynamics is making the organization easy to do this 360-degree view of each customer's journey, and it enables to interact with the customers on their preferred channel, maybe chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, whatever the media, whatever the channel. But by using this Microsoft Dynamics, by using any of this channel, the organization can interact with the customers. Microsoft Dynamics, it helps the organization creating a single consistent service experience through threaded view of the customer experience, and the organization can ensure that every customer receives a unified experience, customized, a customer specific services will be provided so that he can enjoy a unified experience, even if the case is transferred between agents across the channels also, but still it provides these unified experiences to the agents and all the middlemen across the channels also. It quickly offers the most appropriate knowledge articles using relevant search. Select articles faster than other things with highlighted search term matches in the results list. This is you know software Dynamics web page. You can see here Dynamics 365. Just now I told you what we can do by using this Dynamics 365. Right, we can look at the 360-degree view of the customer. See here, customer is calling to check on printer delivery issue, timeline, knowledge base. So all this is the web page of Microsoft Dynamics. Another one is Salesforce.com. The Salesforce delivers the Salesforce.com delivers the personalized experience to the customers. So it is also helping, right? Salesforce customer 360 degrees. So the same like the Salesforce can have the 360-degree view of the customer. It provides powerful connected products for improving marketing, sales, commerce, service, IT, and many more. This is Salesforce.com feature. These are the features of Salesforce.com. Right, marketing, commerce, apps. It provides apps, analyticals, and integration can be done. Employee experience, tribal. So all these are the features with this Salesforce.com. And one more is Sugar CRM is there. So it is also like every CRM package helps in marketing, sales, and service teams, right? Service, all these methods like because it helps. It's actually gives assistance to the marketing team, sales team, and services team to collaborate across the entire customer life cycle. Sugar Market is transforming how mid-sized marketing teams reach audiences and measure success throughout the buyer journey. So by using this Sugar CRM, the firms can track prospect engagement, create marketing aspects, and convert this by creating these marketing assets. We can convert and visualize the performance. Send personalized, that means by using this CRM, the firm can send personalized emails, nurture contacts, and score the leads. It also helps to align the sales through native CRM integrations. Zoho CRM is a very popular CRM provider. It is providing about over 1 lakh 50,000 businesses across 180 countries to convert the leads, engage with customers, to grow their revenue. So it is providing to above 1 lakh 50,000 businesses. So you can understand. So this helps to transform your business with the world's favorite customer relationship management software, that is Zoho CRM. What are the advantages of using this Zoho CRM is Salesforce automation. Automatically, we can automate all these processes of Salesforce like marketing, sales, support functions, right? And deal management is another advantage. Deal management, close more details, more deals in less time. It helps to close, it helps to finish the deals with less time. Track what stage your deals are currently in and seize every opportunity at the optimal moment. For example, if you want to sell a product, usually it involves many stages, right? So we have to make the customer, from the potential customer to the advocate level. So till then, at what stage actually we are identifying the profitable customer, potential customer, right? If you are at this stage, and what is the stage of the transaction, and what we have to do at each transaction status or stage will be provided by using this Zoho CRM. Contact management is one more advantage with this, right? Contacts can be managed across the channels, and workflow automation works are also done automatically, right? Salesforce builder bring the organization's offline sales processes into the organization's CRM, and make sure all the processes whatever involved in the sales follow it every turn. Processing rules can be defined by using this Zoho CRM softwares. Oracle is one more service provider. Actually, Oracle Incorporation is the provider of database software solutions, but it also entered into the CRM markets with a variety of e-business solutions for every area of business. What are the different areas that CRM helps? Marketing, sales, and service or management. So Oracle's complete CRM solutions offer the broadest and deepest capabilities that help organizations drive sales, marketing, and service effectiveness. Oracle CRM on demand enables organizations to get smarter, get more productive, and get best value. Period. So these are the different service providers which are actually playing a major role in this CRM industry. Thank you.